What's going on, guys? We're back with Turdzilla, and we're gonna be just cleaning it up. It's gross, interior's gross, engine bay's gross. Yeah, we'll see what we can do with just the basics. I also picked up a set of weld wheels. These, if these even fit on here, they'll probably look pretty good. So we're gonna throw those on, get this thing cleaned up, get some stickers off. It's super hot, but we just got a little bit of shade from the sun. So let's jump into it. Now, will these big things fit? That's a...
Is that on there?
That's a no all the way around, big dog.
Looks fucking cool from like way back.
Yeah, it looks like a big tire.
The tires are shit anyway.
Fox length rear tub, it might fit.
Way too fancy for this car.
They look kind of dope, bro.
Damn.
Dude, I'm telling you, man.
They're talked.
God, the fitment's perfect.
It's only a 255 tire.
They're in there, but like...
That thing looks good.
What's up, guys? Andrew is currently not in town, so I'm filling in for cleaning up Turdzilla. And I thought what would be kind of cool is, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be kind of like trying to polish out some of the wrap that's good on the car. Obviously, a lot of it is going to be replaced, like this sail panel. Obviously, it's messed up pretty bad, but we're probably just going to replace that whole piece. Like you see, the door wrap isn't the greatest. We're still going to clean it up as much as possible, but it's, you know, bubbling up right there. Side skirts are pretty much halfway falling off, but we're gonna fix that, of course. The wing has seen better days. The sad part about it too is I believe Andrew told me that this is a factory saline wing, OEM. So kind of sad. I heard a lot of them sagged, and I heard, I'm not sure about this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe in 03 they changed the saline spoilers to fiberglass. Like they started making them out of fiberglass, so that didn't happen. As you can see, like right here is all pretty torn up. Overall, the wrap is just, it's seen better days. It's not in very good condition anymore. But we're gonna try our best to clean it up. Now, Andrew tried a little test spot. It's kind of hard to see because the car's dirty now, but the paint's nice and smooth, and kind of clean it up right here, and that's with just like 5 seconds of clay barring it and then like hand polishing it. So I'm gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna do a little test piece on the roof. I'm gonna use the tape to make like some sort of grid, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clay bar it real good, and then maybe use the machine buffer or polish it and then see what it looks like. Okay guys, so I just peeled the tape up, revealing this little bit of a section I did. Here's the line I made. As you can see over here, it just looks old, seen some sun, etc. And over here it's like, you know, very reflective, pretty deep. Now I know it's not perfect. There's gonna be blemishes, there's gonna be You know, it's not going to be 100% mirror like. It's still going to be like an orange peel type of thing. That's not what it is, but that's what it kind of looks like. And the problem with that is that it's wrap. It's gonna have imperfections. It's not going to be as perfect as like a glass coat of paint, but seeing as what it came from, I'm pretty happy with those results. So yeah, do the whole roof and start doing the front clip, and then work our way back to the rear section. What's up guys, back here. Been working all day on Turdzilla. Trying to clay bar, polish, basically make the wrap look really good. I kind of found a technique to kind of hide the bubbles in the wrap at the creases and stuff, and I'll show you in a second. At the creases and stuff, there's a technique to kind of like, it's probably not a legit way to do it, but it gets rid of the bubbles. Some of the spots I messed up on, but if the spots I didn't, it's kind of seamless. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean, the wrap is pretty torn up, but polishing it, clay barring it, all that, it's kind of bringing it back to life. I just did this fender and the roof, and it looks just 1,000 times better already. I don't know much about wrap, like I said, but I'm pretty sure the lifespan of wrap isn't much more than what this car has seen. I mean, I think he wrapped it in like 2017, 18, something like that, around that era. If you guys see like right here, this is also the fender that I polished. As you can see, looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, there's like it's torn up pretty bad. But like as far as like the sheen goes, like it looks pretty good. Right here, as you can see, I like slid it in the middle, and right there kind of messed up a little bit, but like overall, like you step back and it looks a lot better than the big bubbles that were right there. The front doesn't look as good, but it kind of hides it. Right here was pretty bad all the way down, and you know, if you look at it from this angle, it's perfect. You get right up on it, you can tell how I cut it. But same with the whole bottom section. Here's one of the sections that I messed up on right here. As you can see, it's torn up. This side as well, you know, I tried to come in here and fix all the bubbling that was happening in those two creases. Did an okay job. Right here I messed up. I mean, this is kind of like the same thing on the other side, like where the dirt is kind of under it and it just won't stick, and you can feel it's got some grit to it, like there's something underneath it. Right here doesn't want to stick either, but I mean, it looks better than it did. But so far, polishing job looks good, fender. And then also the roof looks a gajillion times better. So yeah, just trying to get it to clean up. Alright, so been hard at work past couple days, clay barring, polishing, etc. on Turdzilla. Car it exceeded my expectations for how well the wrap was going to be able to come back. Even though it's torn up in some spots and it's definitely seen some years, the actual like deepness in the finish of the wrap has come back to almost, I think, probably like it was just wrapped. We actually have the wrap up there. Maybe we can do a comparison at some point in time. Anyways, car looks phenomenal. Well, it still looks like Turdzilla, but it looks a lot cleaner than it did, you know, just a couple days ago. Right now I have some cleaner headlights on there. The ones that were on it were crusty. As a matter of fact, I think that could be a word to describe a lot of what this car has been over the time that it's been gone. Is it's turned into a little bit of a crusty Turdzilla. Ignore me. Anyways, I got this garbage Cobra bumper we had on there before. It's just kind of sitting out there. It's cracked. It's got spray paint on it, so I just said, let's throw it on there, give the car some form. I have the side skirt off on this side. Currently trying to figure out how to fix that, if we're going to use the GT side skirts, etc. Haven't cleaned the interior yet. That's for another time. As far as exterior goes, though, I mean, like, looks so much better. I mean, like, it looks better in person than it does on camera, I think. Roof, amazing. Only part I didn't polish because obviously someone had fun with this thing. And as you can see, like, the finish on this versus like down here, I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick it up on camera, but like this is like almost a darker green than that. Like that's almost satin, and this is so deep. For wrap anyways, it's deep for wrap. It's kind of peely, like I said earlier, but for wrap it looks amazing. As you can see, pulled the spoiler off. I am not a fan of spoilerless new edges, but this is a clean look, especially compared to the sagging saline spoiler that was on it. Brake light, not fastened. Taillights are gonna have to be changed too. They're pretty ate up, but there's a lot of dust and stuff on it, the car still, because it was just flying everywhere when I was doing it. As you can see, I didn't clean the windows or anything. Windows are disgusting from all the stuff that was flying around. So about the wheel situation, earlier in the video, you saw us swap on the Terminator wheels on the rear from the Fox body, and we still have the Owen Cobras, obviously, because the Fox body's still using the Cobras for it to be dynoed on street tires. I'm not really sure. I think right now we're going to sport the Cobra wheels, but I think in short order after this thing is running, we're going to be looking to swap the wheels. So if you guys have any suggestions of wheels we can run on this thing. My suggestion to Andrew was some sort of like gold sandstone style wheel like I had before with the LMR wheels. Like the gold on the green, just top notch, perfect. But yeah guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. Yeah, I mean the car looks a lot better. I think now we can kind of take a step back from appearance and get to work on what's going on in here. I think the plan is to just basically try to strip the engine bay. We're gonna paint it either a green that matches the color or black or any of the above. It's gonna look a lot nicer in here, and then make it look sweet for the very interesting and unoriginal motor idea we have for Turdzilla. Thanks for watching. Usually I don't do this, Andrew does. Like I said, he's out of town, so filling in for your boy. Like the video, subscribe, etc. All the above. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for Turdzilla. Good things to come. And yeah.